Yes, your Yanong Pilipinas Luzon 2025, and now your Miss Global Universe 2026. Hello everyone, mabuhay. I'm Miss Sinokolakan Quezon from San Pablo, Laguna. Your Yanong Pilipinas Visayas 2025, and now the top model of the world, second runner-up. And I'm so grateful for the Yanong Pilipinas family for hosting this victory press fit for us to celebrate the double celebration of crowns for our family. I really am honored, we are really honored to be part of this family, to be part of Yanong Pilipinas family. And to everyone po na nandito, maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo na inilaan para sa gabing ito, para makisaya sa amin, to celebrate our victory. Atin po itong lahat para sa Pilipinas. Salamat po.
Global Universe Crown, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, what does becoming the first Filipina to win this title mean to you and of course to the country?
Alright, so winning as the first ever Filipina to win Miss Global Universe crown, it's really an honor, a privilege. But I know this is a huge responsibility. I devote myself to not just be an inspiration to the people around me or to the Philippines, but of course I want this to be my legacy. Legacy is a legacy. Z po kasi yung nickname ko, so I am inserting Z into the legacy. So we are really blessed that being crowned as Miss Global Universe, first ever Filipina po as Miss Global Universe. It's really a legacy, a history for us, and I hope that habang dala-dala ko po ang crown na to for 1 year reign, I will still continue my advocacy, the women empowerment advocacy, as well as it's the advocacy of the organization internationally. So I really am blessed, and I'm really excited of what's ahead of me. Thank you so much.
Okay, I have a question now. As Miss Global Universe 2026, how do you hope to use your platform to inspire young Filipinas?
So way long before my Yanong Pilipinas journey, I'm starting my advocacy named Embracing the Power in You. So I use my life testimony. I was diagnosed with a kidney disease in 2015, and then I came from a broken family, and then I am using that tests into testimonies, pain into power, breakdowns into breakthroughs, to inspire the people around me, to inspire young girls, young women, the women around me that never stop dreaming. Because as long as you dream, as long as you have this burning passion in you, you will achieve your ultimate. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, and let's have Eunice.
May unexpected changes in you after winning this Global Universe. I know that you went to Singapore with your advocacy, your game plan, everything. Pero may mga pagbabago pa ba na ina-expect in yourself, especially that you brought pride to the entire province of Batangas?
Actually, hello po ulit dito. Thank you so much for supporting us, for supporting me. Yes, I actually am expecting a lot more of myself. During the competition, sobrang hectic po ng schedule. Sobrang wala talagang tulog. Like, kulang yung tulog. But then I realized, I knew myself better during the competition, and now bringing home the crown, the first ever Miss Global Universe crown for the Philippines. I am expecting that because I know myself even more, I know my core better than before. I will be using all the knowledge, all the experience I had in Singapore and Malaysia, and then share it here in the Philippines.
Pero nung gabi ng finals, may gutom ka.
Actually, before po ako sumagot ng final Q&A, kasi last po ako tinawag sa top 10. So I was expecting na last din ako magko-Q&A. But then I was told first to answer the Q&A. And so, sobra akong nervous na, hindi ba ako nakakahinga ako tatanungin. So, nung tatanungin ako, papalapit ako sa mic, nagpe-pray lang po ako, sabi ko, Lord, give me the question na makakapagpapanalo sa atin. And then, yun po. And then, nagtatawag na sila ng top 5. Ang pinag-pray ko lang is, Lord, let your will be done. And then, natawag na yung first runner-up. Then, the host asked, crowd kung sino yung bet na manalo, and then they're all shouting for the Philippines. And I'm just praying na, Lord, please call Philippines, please call Philippines. And then they call Philippines. And so, yeah, the rest is history. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Daisy. And natutuwa ako sa gisa mo na Lord, bigay mo sa akin yung question mo papanalo sa akin.
As the last contestant to be called into top 10, sobrang kong nerve-wracking. Kasi knowing na you're wearing Philippines across your heart. Kasi ganun pala po sa international competition. Once you wore the Philippine sash, everyone is expecting you to be perfect. Ina-expect nila na wala kang pagkakamali. Ina-expect nila na every labas mo, kahit umaga yan magbe-breakfast, kailangan nakatulog lang ka na. Ganun pala yan. So, nung I did every assignment that was given to me. Lumalabas po ako ng mag-breakfast, ganyan. So, nung last na, nag-iisip na po ako na, hala, baka sayang yung effort ko, yung pagod ng team. Hala, baka wala akong madala sa Pilipinas, kundi yung pagod ko ulit pabalik. Yun po yung nafe-feel ko na, and then Philippines was called. So, yun, sobrang sabi ko na lang, Lord, thank you po. Hindi ko po sasayangin yung slot na yun. And I'll do my very best to bring home the crown. So, yeah.
Congratulations.
The full support and love that you get from the Mutiana Filipinas organization, particularly kay Ma'am Dolly Carino.
So, Mutiana Filipinas organization has been very supportive from the very start. The moment po na nag-ask ako kay tita ko, kay Sir Adam mo na pala. Nag-ask ko kay Sir Adam, then sabi ko po, Sir Adam, help niyo naman po ako. Ganyan. And then without hesitation, Tita Cory said yes for me to compete in Miss Global Universe. And from then on, Tita asked me, are you ready to bring home the crown? I said, Tita, I am 200% ready. Yun po talaga yung sinabi ko, if you remember. Sabi ko, Tita, iuuwi ko po ang crown, gagawin ko po ang lahat, and I'll give my 200%. And then after a few minutes, tinanong niya ulit ako, are you really ready? Yes, Tita, 300%. Siguro kung nakasampung tanong pa po si Tita, baka 1,000%. But yeah, I'm so happy and blessed to have the Mutiana Filipinas organization cheering for us, supporting us. Ultimo po, sa smallest details, sa paggagawa ng pub mats, sa pag-share, sa bayanihan din po ng Filipino people, hindi lamang po ng Batangas province or ng San Pablo, but the whole Philippines. We are really blessed to have this bayanihan spirit within the Filipinos. And ramdam na ramdam po namin yun nung nag-compete kami internationally. Distance po, hindi naging hadlang po yung distance para maiparamdam ng mga Pilipino yung suporta po sa amin. But going back here with the crowns above our head, mas naramdaman po namin na we are not just queens. We are Filipino people loved by our fellow Filipino people. So thank you so much.
You're awesome.
I want congratulations, grabe. First ever Miss Global Universe. How do you feel during the final announcement?
Sobrang po akong pressured and sobrang excited kasi nga po, as mentioned earlier, at the moment na I will be answering the final Q&A, papalapit ako sa microphone, nakatitig lang ako sa ganito. Sabi ko, Lord, please give me the question that will make me win, that will make us win. And then, thank you, biyaya po ni Lord na it happened. And I really am blessed, I must say, kasi the preparation was just 2 weeks. So, for that 2 weeks time, I struggled a lot kasi hindi po ako sanay, and the team kasi first time namin nag-compete ng nationals and then going international agad. So, we did our very best. We asked friends who competed internationally, mentors from Batangas also. And then they just told us na just do your best, just be on top of the game. Walang bibitaw kumbaga sa atin po. So hindi talaga po bumitaw ako at ang team. Kahit nag-struggle kami sa pagpe-prepare kasi very limited lang yung time. We did our very best, and thank you, biyaya ni Lord. We got the first ever Miss Global Universe crown.
Thank you,
Thank
congratulations.
you so much.
Sarah Coventry crown of Miss Universe. Miss Universe 1963 to 2001, the crown. So can you tell us about the pageant? Ano bang advocacy? Can you tell us all about the Miss Global Universe for those who do not know?
Yes, so Miss Global Universe, I think this is their third edition of Miss Global Universe. Last year we placed second runner-up. Yes, and this pageant is advocating for women empowerment. So aside from that, ang pageant pong ito, we have a lot of pre-pageant activities. We had talent competition, national costume competition. We also have yung nakita po natin sa coronation day na swimsuit, may runway, may Q&A, may national costume ulit na parade. And yun, also, Miss Global Universe is based in Singapore and Malaysia. So, nangyari po yung coronation natin is sa Malaysia and then meron po tayong pre-pageant activities sa Singapore. Kaya po, ang nakalagay po doon is Singapore and Malaysia. So, yeah. Hopefully next year po sa susunod na magiging Miss Global Universe Philippines back to back.
Back to back yan,
Yes.
for sure. Thank you so much, Lindsay. Ano ba natin